If you're encountering difficulties with migrating your Outlook PST files to an IMAP server, welcome to WholeClear PST to IMAP Converter is the ideal solution for you. This advanced tool offers a streamlined way to transfer multiple PST files to your IMAP server, eliminating any glitches during the process. Key features of the tool: batch upload of PST files. Migrate multiple PST files simultaneously, saving time and effort. Support for PST items with attachments. Convert not only emails but also the attachments associated with them. Flexible location choice. Customize the destination for the imported PST files based on your preference. Preserve email attributes. Maintain the integrity and attributes of emails during the migration process. Step-by-step instructions for using the software to upload PST files to IMAP account. Step 1. Install and launch the WholeClear PST to IMAP Converter tool. Step 2. Choose PST file format and browse to select the desired PST file/folder. Step 3. Select the Export to IMAP account option. Step 4. Provide host address, username, and password. Then click Authenticate User. Step 5. Select an existing folder or create a new one in the IMAP account to import the PST files. Click the Continue button. Step 6. Authenticate your IMAP settings, and then click Upload Now to complete the migration. A report will be generated after the process. Once the process is completed, you can log into your IMAP account and find the PST files you imported by following the steps above. For any query, visit our website. Thanks for watching.